What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. This is your swing recap for the weeks of October 24th and October 31st. We are going to announce who won the Hall of Fame of October, so drum roll, and we'll get there. But just first things first, just want to let you know, make sure to hit like and subscribe at our page right here to Option Goats Trading LLC. If you look up Option Goats Trading on YouTube, you can find some of our past videos that we've made. You can check out some of the other trades that I've made. I made swing recaps for every 2 weeks. Just on average, I trade 2 to 3 times in that time frame. Looking back at some of the other crash courses that we have: credit spread crash course, debit spread crash course, and how I trade the 50 and 200 SMA. I'm also using a new indicator right now. In fact, today I'm going to catch up on all the videos and we're going to get us current, just because this catching up thing is, let's get it done. You can check out our website at optiongoatsllc.com. And if you go down where it says join free, it'll take you straight to the membership, or straight to the Discord. I'll show you just in a second. First things, and then second, I am not a licensed financial professional. If you need financial help, please reach out to a professional licensed advisor or firm. You know who they are. I'm not one of them. If you go to join OG Prime or join OG Prime PayPal, use the code lowercase spring 30, and then you will be able to use that code. And instead of paying $60 per month, you'd be paying $30 per month for 3 months. All right, guys. So let's take a look at some of the action that we had over the course of October 24th and October 31st. If you watched the last video, you'll know who won, just because he had an absolute banger play and he's going to deserve the play that he had. So we only had one profit post for the week, and so we had a looks like Cuzzy bought a 387 put, and then he made $5 off it. Cuzzy, let's fucking go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I didn't have any trades that week. No other traders did, because he was the only one that traded in that 2 week span, and he was green. So OG was green for those 2 weeks. So super happy with that. Going down to some of the member trades. Now here's our Hall of Fame winner. I do want to go back to where he entered. Was on SLB, or excuse me. See, is it right here? Nope. Let's find it. Oh, here we go. SLB call. He was up 341%. And then he was up 745%. Now, this is where I left off in the last video. SLB 1,000%. And that's where he basically made that money. So AES on your Schlumberger 45 call, with you bought it for $68. The expiration was 11/18, so you had, let's see, like 4 or 5 weeks left. That's really cheap. And then you made $507. $507, which was a 746% gain. AES, good job. You won the Hall of Fame for October. You're gonna have the choice. Excuse me. You're gonna have the choice of $50 or OG merch. Go ahead and DM me when you decide which one you want. I will post in the announcements, but bravo, man. Absolute bravo. He also made money on a PG call, made 60% on a PG call. Good job there. And then there is the DG 250 call that he had 39. Holy crap. You know what? I take that back, man. I take that back. This is the winner right here. Holy crap. You bought it for 28 cents and you made $1,092. What in God-given, holy crap. I did not see this one. Wow. Hey, yes, I take that back. I'm not going to give it to you for the SLB. You won it for the DG 250 call. 3,900% gain? That's unreal. Bro, great job. Great job, AES. Good Lord. Congratulations, AES. You well deserve it, man. Whether it was for the SLB call, now I see the DG call. So great job there. Good God, you are killing it, man. Alrighty, for our swing trades that we had for that week. Now the SLB spread that we had ended up not. Let's see where we at. Okay, so SLB did still rip. So this is where we shorted SLB. Oh wow, IWM kept going. Sorry guys, hold on a second. I have a paper trade on IWM. See this buy indicator right here? It bought, and look where it went. So on this IWM call that I had, now it is, oh, It's up 134%. So let me just post real quick. 134. That's unreal. Super happy with that. Wow. Okay. Well, you'll see that play another time. That's 5 for 5 on that indicator. Let's go back to, SLB. So this was SLB on the daily. So here's where we shorted it up here, and it is coming down now. Here's our spread, but now it's December 12th when our expiration was like back in November. So we're not going to make money on that play, which it is what it is. I was looking for some oil news to bring it back down, but it looks like we actually just lost out on that play. So that was one of our losers. We were plus 22% on Sheeb. If you remember what Sheeb looks like, guys. So this is the crypto. If you're following what's going on with FTX and stuff, it's kind of crazy. FTX and there was another one that I think filed for bankruptcy, but something like that. I can't remember exactly. FTX and the Friedman, yeah, FTX is, and they filed for bankruptcy, and there's like all this other like scandal stuff that's going with it too. So it's just kind of crazy to watch. But anyways, Sheeb right now has a sell right at this moment. So this might be one where it might be a good idea for us to sell on Sheeb. And we might be able to get something done here just because it looks like on the past times that it's sold, let's see, so like right here, it's sold, it came back down from 12 all the way down to 10, sell right here, went from 10 all the way to 9, sell right here, went from 10 to 8:45. Right now we're having a sell at 9, but the day's not over, so we're going to wait on that. We could also switch to a 4-hour and see exactly what we're seeing here. The sell was right here, so technically we missed that opportunity, which I'm not going to mess with it right now. We did get paid our divvies. So look at that, $191.92 that was put into our cash available. And what did we do with that? You bet your butt we went and we bought more PDT. So we bought 14 more shares of PDT. Our total now is 1,846 shares. So for instance, guys, I was doing this math over the weekend just because I was like, man, I wonder when I could actually like retire, right? So monthly dividend calculator. Like when I want to retire, I don't want to retire and I want like $50,000 a month. I don't even want $5,000 a month. I just want enough to pay for my bills, pay for, be able to just get out of, be able to just keep. I just don't want to work. How about let's just go with that. Let's see. There is a calculator here that's really good. Oh, here it is. Perfect. Okay. So 8.75, dividend growth rate, let's go 0. Number of shares held, 1846. Cost per share, let's see, I think we're at, there we go. Okay, let's go to PDT, 1330. So let's go to 1330. Years to hold, let's just go, I'm 30 now, so let's go with 30 years. Okay, so when we calculate this, these are our income. So at the beginning of this year, we were getting 179. By the end of the year, we're getting 193. So 10 years from now, let's jump to 10 years. We're receiving almost 400. By the end of that year, we're getting 425. Let's go 20. So let's say I'm 50 years old. Okay. Now this is just my IRA. So not including my retirement fund that I have with my employer, and not including any other kind of investments as far as like, let's say crypto or options trading. This is purely just PDT. So when I turn 50, my monthly income would be about 1,016. Okay, that's still not enough for me to be able to say, okay, I can pay my rent or my mortgage. I can't, that's not the age where I would say, okay, I think I can get off of, I can't stop working. You know what I'm saying? So let's go 30. So let's just say I am 60 years old and I want to just retire 5 years earlier. Okay. So here's my income per month, 2430. Okay. Now that money is not going to be 2430 a month. So it's 2430 times, 0.66 because tax bracket. So we'd be getting about 1603 a month. That is based off of if we reinvest the dividends, okay? So reinvesting the dividends and not adding extra shares, okay? Not adding extra shares. So let's say if we were to go back, so 2430 2430, and let's say we started next year at the end of the year, we had 1900 at 1 month. We just bought, $500 worth of shares, with our tax return. So we had 2430 by the 30th year. That increases by $70. Okay. Now, every paycheck, let's say if we add a share, right, and we round up with whatever extra change that we have in the IRA, that also increases every time that we get paid. So yeah, we might have 1900 shares, but let's say we had 2000 shares. Okay. And let's say we start from a couple of years from now, 2632. Now let's go back, and I'm just going to add another 5 years. Let's say we'll go back to the 1846, and we have 35 years. So this would be when I turn 65. When I turn 65, in those 5 years, it jumps from 2447 to 3757. So now you've gone from, and that's about a 35% increase, 40% increase, whatever you want to call it. And instead of getting the 16, so if we had 2437 times 0.66, that's per month. But if you just work another 5 years and wait till you can actually pay, when you can actually retire, 3575 times 0.66, that would be your monthly income. Now that is a monthly income that you can pay your rent. You have money for groceries. You have money for travel. You can save money. Let's say you don't have a car payment. You're just, off of that. Well, I guess with my scenario, I wouldn't really have to worry about that. But you would have a lot more money by your 65th year than you would now, or than you would if you were to retire 5 years early. So that's just one of those things I like to just calculate every now and then. And with this new indicator that we've got going, I might 1 month take the dividends and start doing some day trades. I think PDT pays at the end of the year a dividend, and then it pays an extra dividend for the yearly dividend, which will be just an extra $170. We have a cash account with Thinkorswim. Okay, we have a cash account with Thinkorswim where we can take the dividends from one IRA into a cash IRA. Now, if we can blow up that account with the indicator, that is something that we can just give it a shot, right? We can just give it a shot that way. I think that's about it, guys. So yeah, we hit the PDT shares. Let's see. Oh, whoops. I showed you exactly what I did after that. So we have 1846 now, but here it is. 1832 is what I meant to say. Yeah, we have 1832 shares. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. I think hold on, before I forget, the last video we were on Philip Morris, I think. Philip Morris. So there's the pop that we had on Philip Morris. Philip Morris did go up. So this was the buy from the indicator, right? Went as high as 103. Disney, which I'll show you the play later that we had on Disney, but yeah, I'll show you later on Disney. But again, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out some of the other videos that we had. I'm going to get all caught up today. I'm going to do the Hall of Fame at AES, and I'm going to do the next 2 weeks. I'm going to do the next 2 weeks after that. And so that way we'll have the Hall of Fame for November as well today too, because right now we're currently in December and I'm about to go on break, and I want to make sure that I have everything done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out some of the other videos that we have. If you have any questions, feel free. You can go to the Discord, or you can go to the bottom of our website where it says your name, your email, subject, and your message. Feel free, guys. Make sure to manage your risk. Again, I'm not a licensed financial professional. If you need financial help, make sure to reach out to a financial advisor. So thank you, guys. We'll catch you next time, and see you soon.